Again, a very good question. A, B, C, and D, E, F are both three-digit numbers such that A, B, C, and F are distinct non-zero digits such that A, B, C plus D, E, F is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F? Again, a beautiful question asked by UPSC in CSAT 2023. A, B, C is added to D. We have to add them. So what we have? We have 1, 1, 1, and 1. We have 1, 1, 1, and C. Here, all the numbers are of single digit and distinct numbers and non-zero numbers. If the value of C and F either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they can take any of the values. You cannot make 1 here. You cannot make 1 here. Why? Because 1 will come when 0 is added to 1. 0 is added to 1, you will get 1. Or when 2 is added to 9, you will get 1. Because in 11 the unit digit is 1. Or what, how you will get another one? If you add, can have 1, where you can have 1 either in 0 1 or 11 or 21. See, if all the digits are different, then the maximum sum can be 17. How? If one number is 9, then another is 8. 17. If you have to achieve this number, then you need to add 2 plus 9. If you have to achieve this number, you need to add 0 plus 1. As in the question, all the digits are distinct and non-zero, so this combination does not follow. And also 21 cannot be the sum of two distinct digits, so we will take 11 as 9 plus 2. See, the question is finished. How? The value of C plus F, the value of C plus F should be 11. The value of C plus F should be 11. If the C plus F is 11, then we have 1. Then we have 1 as carry. Then the value of B plus E, B plus E is equal to 10, because when we add 1 to 10, it will become 11. Then we have 1 carry again. Then the value of A plus D will again be 10, because if A plus D is 10, then we will 10 plus 1 11. 1 1 1 1 is here. Value of A, if I add all of them, then I will get 31. Value of A plus C, B plus C plus D is nothing but 31. Option number D is the correct answer. You need not to find out the numbers. So here is the solution. How? The value of C plus F is 11. So 1 carry. The value of B plus E is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. The value of A plus D again is 10 and 1 carry is there. 10 plus 11 is 11. So I have 1 1 1 1. So no need to find out the numbers. Just go to the conclusion. Next.